All right, so today I'm gonna show you how to add wheel motion into your hoverboard. So this will work with any 7 to 10 inch hoverboard. Basically, you got a seat. It's got this little bow, right, for your groin and your bum area underneath. So the concept is quite easy. You basically have this little seat and it attaches over top of here with a Velcro strap. So that way you can essentially sit on this and it's gonna act like a go-kart. So let's take all the pieces out. So this will work with any 7 to 10 inch hoverboard. Basically you got a seat. It's got this little bow, right, for your groin and your bum area underneath. You get your handlebars to press down. You get your main assembly, and this is the adjustable footrest. So the footrest basically goes in first, and then you just navigate where you want it. Tighten the tube. Remove these screws from the side with an Allen key. Next, slide in the handlebar through the hole, like that. Place the washer and the bolt on the side. Repeat the same process on the other side of the handle. Put your seat over, and then grab 4 of these and place them in. And then tighten these up. So now these, actually this goes up and down. This is how basically you're tilting to control. Now we put the straps on around the board and the seat to secure it in place, but we're not going to use the straps that came with the kit. Those wear out quite quick, so we're going to be using heavy duty double looped ones. All right, so I just want to show you how to put these straps on because they are very complicated and they do not come with a manual, and I figure out the best method. So you basically have 2 straps on this side and then you have 2 straps on that side. The first thing you want to do is you want to take the middle strap, well, it's really on the middle on both sides, and feed it through your first metal loop like this until you get out here. And then this is going to get attached to the Velcro right here on the center. Just attach it all the way onto that Velcro. Got it. All right. Next, the center one, we pull through here in the front now, again through the same metal loop. This time we're going to just pull it and tighten it back this way, and we're going to go back over this. On this side, we have the center ones. The same thing. We go through here, pull this, and then you just tighten this back and go into the center. And then finally, we have the big long strap that's on the outside. For the way I do this one is I go through again here, over top, and then I come out here, and then I really take this, pull it, and then I tighten it right here. There we go. And that's it. That's what you do. So you have double protection on both sides. This way, they're not going to wear out as quickly as if you just had one. This is basically a double, and it's got a very thick base at the bottom. So let's go ride this thing. So here is our wheel motion scooter. Now we turn on. Right, so if you have too much weight distributed on one side, it may just pull itself backwards. So let's go sit down and test it out. I will say about the wheel motion, well, it's awesome, is that sometimes depending on the hoverboard, you will not be able to turn that off because the pressure being applied to the hoverboard with the straps is going to be too much, so the hoverboard is going to think there's somebody on it, so therefore it's not going to let it to be turned off. But besides that, super fun little gadgets.